How to add a military discount to Target app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add a military discount to Target app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add a military discount to Target app, all you have to do is you will not be able to do it from the app. So keeping that thing in mind, just open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, go to target.com and then sign into the account. Then tap the account icon from the top right hand side and then just go to this option called account, as you can find here. Once you go to account, just scroll down until you get to the settings option here, as you can find settings. Then tap the view all button next to settings and then you'll be taken to the settings page. Now under settings, if you're a military service member, you'll have this option called I'm a service member or independent or dependent. Now just tap on the get verified option. Make sure to verify your military verification using a service member or maybe a dependent. Then just hit the continue button. Just fill in all these details of your military details, such as your military status, your branch and service, first name, last name, your birthday. Click on verify. Once you've done that, you'll be able to add a verification code next time onwards. This way you can go ahead and then basically add a military discount on Target. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.